Hiding in plain sight, the CLT House, designed by the Hello Wood Studio, imbues soul and strength with a cross-laminated timber design. Nestled in the lush rural landscapes of Hungary, it is as mysterious as it is magnificent. A retreat that is in perfect harmony with the land, literally concealing the home from prying eyes. Imagine a house playing hide-and-seek, buried in the ground, peeking just enough to blend with the horizon. Its green roof, a canvas of art in nature, is a living part of the landscape. The house extends with a 135 square meter terrace by the water's edge, making the wooden floors the ideal spot to enjoy the sunrise and sunset. The house offers two spaces, one complete with a living area, a cozy bedroom, an elegant kitchen, and a bathroom with clean lines. The guest space provides a quiet place for visitors to unwind. Between these spaces is a summer kitchen, roofed and cozy. A chimney shaped like a shark fin cuts through the air, acting as a sculptural sentinel watching over this nest. The meticulous care Hello Wood has poured into every inch is evident. The concrete, molded with leftover wood, bears the texture of the beams. The huge glass windows and doors open wide to the outside world, drawing in light and life. Cross-laminated timber gives strength and soul to the structure, while the wooden facade surface is treated with the yakisugi burning method, an ancient technique that brings out a charred beauty and ensures the house withstands the test of time. The CLT House is a place where peace is as tangible as the wood grain under your fingers. It's a place where the fish in the lake will be your only audience, and the stars, your nightly canopy. Here, architecture doesn't just meet nature, it melds with it in an embrace as old as time. Welcome to the latest symphony in wood.